to
Bag.
Crab where we can eat seafood boil, and I'm very excited. So let's go. Come on. Come on. We're going.
How do you feel about being here, Jen?
Excited.
You're excited?
I've never been here.
What about you, Chrissy?
I'm so excited. I'm very happy.
What about you, Maggie?
I'm so excited.
She's usually the last one, but she got her food. And then there's Nikki. Sorry, I had to take over for her so I can show you guys her thing. Maggie's about to fix it. Maggie, can you help her out, please?
It's so big on it. It's big on it.
Yeah. Anyways, it's so cute. Here's in Beaverton.
And right now we just ordered, so we can come back when we have the food.
Yes.
I'm gonna eat the egg. I'm gonna eat the corn. It's hot.
It's hella really hot. I think it might be too hot for you to go that way. This is a dream come true. Why are you laughing? I'm so happy.
You can do that. Look, I don't like using gloves.
Me
I like
either.
using my hand.
But not, yeah. Wow. Dumb honey. Oh. It tastes like the claw. These are pretty. Oh, shoot.
They're so good.
Good thing you haven't eaten it?
Hi besties. We're back and we're at Salt and Straw, and right now we're gonna get ice cream, and I'm excited, but there's a big line, so yeah. Look.
We're here again.
And
Same people.
yeah.
Cutie patooties.
She has something to say.
Oh yeah, sorry.
and there's even more people in the front. There's a whole entire line, so yeah.
And how do you feel about doing a lot of new stuff today?
Pretty good.